Hi friends and welcome back. In this video, we will see how to create three-dimensional plots with two variables. So that will be very exciting, right? With two variables creating three-dimensional plots. So for that, I have a set of data here, x and y axis or x and y variable. Now select these two x and y variable and go to the option plot. There, select the option 3D XYY. So here we have three different options to plot 3D images with two variables. So let's check each one of them. So first of all, let's check XYY or 3D bar. So 3D bar will look like something like this. It has vertical bar or cuboids with x, y and z axis, or z axis is just imaginary, or it is a say something like it's not there actually. We have only x and y axis, and z axis is a unit axis, or it is having a value 1 always. So at this point, at this one, we have the x and y axis actually, and z is little bit enlarged. Now over to the next option. Go to plot, select 3xyy, and here we have 3D ribbons. So 3D ribbons is something like a continuous plot where you don't have a vertical lines or where you don't have plots or bars. This is a continuous line. So this is a ribbon, 3D ribbon. Now over to the third option, select the data points, then go to plot 3D XYY, and we have 3D walls here. So select that 3D walls. 3D wall is similar to ribbon but with a solid line to x and y axis. So this is the 3D ribbon option. Now we can modify each of this graph by double clicking onto the plot. There we have a window, and now we can change all the options here like spacing, drop lines. If you don't want drop line, if you want drop line, then click onto it and go to apply. Then we will have drop lines there. Like that we can change all these values over here. Width is specified, so width we can increase and apply so that the width can be seen here. Width can be reduced, then go to apply. Now width is very low. Likewise we can change all the options. Now draw a line from 0 from minimum, that is in accordance to our data points. Now pattern, you can change the pattern whether we want black or something else, say red, apply red, then you have a red line over here, then we have a gray lines for drop downs, then we can change it to black. Likewise we can change all these options and modify the graph. So these are the three different options where you can plot 3D images using two variables. So this is not actually a 3D plot. This is not a three variable plot, but it is a 3D image with using two variables. So these are the three different plots. Hope you understood. And if you are new to the channel, please subscribe the channel. And thanks for watching.